Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to get the Gengar Spider and Geometry Dash. So from the main menu, tap on the treasure room button. It is the golden chest icon located on the right side of the screen. So inside the treasure room, you will see a bottom row of purple diamond chests. So you will need to open 10 of the chests, and each chest costs 5 diamond keys to open. So start opening the diamond chests one by one. You can see a chest being opened here costing 5 keys, so you must open a total of 10 chests to get the final reward. So after opening the 10th diamond chest, a new item unlocked screen will appear, rewarding you with Gengar Spider icon. So tap on OK to claim it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!